Hello everyone, thank you for joining my channel, and if this is your first time tuning in, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. So I've gotten some requests on how to make money lays using the flowers that I made from a previous video. I thought I would show you guys how I assemble those flowers. I'll also go ahead and add the link down below for you guys as well. So I've got my money flowers and my regular flowers, and I believe I got these flowers from Party City, and I've got my beads, and I think I got these beads for either Hobby Lobby or Michael's, I can't remember. And then of course I got my string. Alright, let's get started. So first I'm just going to add some beads, and this will go at the back of the neck. And I'm going to start with, I think I'll start with white flowers, and then I'm just going to add some flowers, and then I'm going to make sure that all my flowers are going the same way. And then I'm going to add a bead after every flower. So far, this is what I've got. And now I'm going to add in the money flower. And this is how you add it in. So you're just going to place your strings in here, one on each side. And I'm going to face mine down just because I like the way it looks, but you can do it, you know, faced up if you like. And then we're just going to add our bead. So there you go. And then once you're done with that, you just start adding in your flowers again. So now that I'm halfway done, I'm going to start flipping the money flowers the opposite way. And I just prefer the look of the money lei this way, having half going one way and half going the other way. So, a little fun fact, this was actually my daughter's money lei that I made for her a long time ago. And since I've gotten requests on how to assemble the money flowers that I made in a previous video, I thought that I would take hers apart and put it back together for you guys. So once I'm done adding all my flowers and getting it to the length that I want, I'll usually just add more beads at the end. And then this is what it's gonna look like, a little idea of what it's gonna look like. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, again, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again. Bye for now.